Hi everyone! This video is going to show you how to check to install updates on your computer. The very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on the Windows Start button. Might be on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, mine's up at the top, but find that Start button and then you're going to click on the gear for settings. You should get this pop-up. The last option in the settings is to update and security. You will see once you click on, I'll show you that again, you'll see once you click on update and security that it might say you're up to date. You should check for updates anyways, because sometimes there might be a little delay here. Let it check for updates. You can tell it's checking because those blue dots are moving. Alright, it says I'm up to date. That's okay. If not, it might ask you to restart, which you should do. Follow whatever prompts come up on your screen to make sure that you do the update. You might have to click here to shut down or restart to install updates. With all of this emphasis on your computer, that you're using it every day for online learning, it's going to be really important every night that you shut down your computer overnight to let your computer rest, and that oftentimes will automatically install the updates anyways. Thanks, guys.